Kate. I'm a creative arts therapist, and like you, I have had many of those weeks where session planning felt completely impossible. I remember spending so many evenings, Sunday nights, looking through Pinterest, trying to create visuals, laminating to the death before the week started, and I really just wanted to make creative tools that were usable and adaptable for my sessions, but it was so tiring. And so this is really why I came up with building the Creative Therapy Resource Library. I wanted to put all of these interventions that I had made anyway, worksheets, visuals, which is something I really found I like doing, but I really wanted to make it more accessible to a bunch of other therapists so that you can spend your time in session instead of spending lots of time outside of session prepping. The cool thing is with the Creative Therapy Resource Library, you can log in at any time and grab what you need. I also put out calls for resource requests, so if you're looking for something specific, I would love to make it. So if you are tired, if you are trying to maximize those 7 minutes you have between sessions, and if you want to bring more joy and creativity into your sessions, hop in and join us. We would love to have you, and always, please feel free to reach out with any questions. And of course, be creative.